for $1, what do you guys do to make money in New York?
We get money?
You get a dollar.
I am a freelance dancer, but I also teach Pilates, so working out.
Artist, performer, also photographer, graphic designer.
And I do have dollar bills in here.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of different ways. I make my own clothing, so I sell my clothing, and then I also do a lot of freelance sewing. Sometimes I teach sewing lessons. Sometimes I have a friend who's like, do you want to help me move these boxes and I'll pay you?
I trade stock.
So if you were giving advice to people who are in the creative industry that tend to have like 4 or 5 jobs, what would you suggest?
Well, first of all, any job that I take, I would want to get paid for it.
Off the G, yeah, and the AC. The Pilsner one, the Pilsner two. The Krog.
Good morning. I made probably 30 or 40 waffle cones yesterday. And I used 3 different batter recipes, and 2 out of the 3 kept deflating. But the final recipe that is made with rice flour, flax meal, oat milk, vegan butter worked. And I was able to make a batch of 10, and they still look very good today. Unfortunately, I have to make them all like over 24 hours in advance just so I can get it all done by tomorrow afternoon, because I only have one waffle cone machine. And I suppose the cost of individual labor is time, but the reward is joy. I have to walk to the store to buy some more ingredients and maybe a coffee, because I'm feeling absolutely nothing, actually. I feel well rested, and yet like there's a void this Saturday. It's too quiet in my neighborhood. And my friend was here yesterday to interview some people in a park, because I thought that would be a good intro to this video, since my goal here is to try to become a businesswoman. And that's a lot scarier than I thought it would be. One of my goals for 24 is to go through more rejection therapy, to put myself in situations where people tell me no quite often, or I say no more often, because think I need to work on that still at my big age. But I did learn that every single person who identifies as a creative and doesn't work a full-time job, which seems to be the majority of people living in my neighborhood, that hang out at the park closest to me, identify as such.
Just a con, all working, not much fun. Take it slow, take it gentle, then you know.
And some of them are uniquely shaped, like there's some flatter bowls. So if you got 2 scoops, they could sit next to each other instead of on top of each other. I also ordered some paper trays, like the ones you get fries in at like a baseball game. I think it could be a pretty good deal. If you did this pretty frequently, I think it could add up to be like semi livable. But we'll see.
Got the world at your